Hello, my friends. This is Valerie from Sure Scraps a Lot, and I am here today to show you very quickly two different types of files that you can very easily upload into your Cricut design space. So the first one will be for a basic cut, and then the second one will be for an image that you want to print and cut. All right, so I'm just going to switch over to my Cricut file. Sorry, I'm just learning how to do this flipping thing between different screens. All right, so I'm in my design space right now. This is a file that I already created a few weeks ago for one of my projects. I'm going to go to the lower left-hand corner here to where it says upload. I'm going to click on that. You do not want pattern fill. That's a whole other lesson. You want upload image. And then because I have so many things open all the time, I'm going to browse, and I've already set this up so that it's going right where I have the images. And this is not the one I wanted, sorry. Okay, so what I want is crisp air here. All right, crisp air. All right, first of all, I wanted just to point out, you see these funny little uh, thumbnails. That's what they're called. They're called thumbnails. Okay, these look like the Firefox emblem, and that's because these are HTML documents, which translates to SVG files. So these are documents that have been created specifically to cut on a cutting machine. Okay, and I'm talking about the Cricut today. So I want to go to where Hello Pumpkin. Okay, so here is the image that I want. I just double clicked on it, and now we're back in Cricut design space. All right, and Cricut always likes to get their nose in there, and they want to show you things that they've got that are similar to what you're trying to upload. All right, so now we just can click continue, and the title is Hello Pumpkin. That's what you can search on. You can also add tags if you want. So I would say this is a scrapbook title. It's also got autumn and fall. You don't need pumpkin because you've got that in the title name. You also can add it to a collection if you already have that. Now, because this is already in the format for Cricut, all you have to do is upload. And there's your image. And again, Cricut likes to stick their nose in where it doesn't belong. Show you the other image. I'm just going to make this a bit smaller. Okay, and then I want to click save, just so we don't lose it. Okay, and that's basically it. All right, you're ready to go. You can see your 3 layers here. If you go to the right, you can expand your group. All right, and you can see all the different pieces in here. This is your wording. All right, and you're ready to cut. So you can see up here on the left-hand side, you can see scissors, and it says basic cut. All right, so you're all ready to go. Next, I wanted to show you how to upload an image for print and cut.